I'm Shiju. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Share your coding experience. I'm primarily a Java, Kotlin, and React and Nodejs developer. I've created this channel mainly to share my development experience and encourage others to share their experience. Um, Before starting my career as a developer, I was a tutor in one of the computer centers in my hometown. Um, Honestly, I really enjoyed teaching students and I would love to do it again. In my channel, I'll be sharing videos related to Java, then Java, some of the topics like generics, functional programming, streams, collections, and then performance, then the frameworks like Springboot, Hibernate, then the Elasticsearch, then I would say like React, TypeScript, Node.js, also testing TDD, BDD, and Cucumber. My videos might not be suitable for absolutely beginners because I'm happy to do it for the absolute beginners, but the initial my plan is to target junior developers, university students, and people who are who have a prior knowledge of Java, Kotlin, React actually, or Node, TypeScript or JavaScript actually. So thank you so much for watching. Once again, welcome to my channel. Share your coding experience. Thank you.